Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to Mwenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Premium Defender 0. I'm joined by Mr. Sute himself. Hashtag is strong. Kilongi Langa.
Stivo, how's it?
I'm not.
Wankolota. Ngolota umatao so.
Tao.
Ape ergo botsa ke tulela content bana. Ke nna ke lebella mo ke bolela go ruirala. O ntlhombe me bra.
Yeah.
O ntlhombe di visiti di like tselo di krang kwa ke nna. O ntlhombe, o tlo jang go uliwa. Ai ke complain. Yeah me bra go bya botle. Ape ergo botse. Re ba ma fethu etu shootera tsamaya trenda.
Yeah.
Mo ke feta le bana ba nyane ba. Shoot. Yeah, but anyway, let's go to the game.
Yeah.
Mpeni home defender 0.
Yeah.
And ba matlore ba jile ke bana ba nyane le ba jile 2-0. No guys. There is a training squad ya rena.
Yeah.
Ba le bona go di sutu.
Yeah.
Ke Sundowns na robo tsore re tswere depth. Ne ke nyaka ba bana ba dlala le ba roka. Ba ska tsentsha full squad. Ba re bona ba na le depth.
Yeah.
Ba tsentse squad se se jileng ke Sundowns 4-1.
Pirates.
Re no bona ba tsentsa bon Dondlo ka second half mara. Ba tsentse squad sa bona se re sitse.
First team ya bone ba itsebile.
Ke ba utlwela botlhoko.
Ba utlwela botlhoko.
Ba le ho di flop ba bona keng. Last interview ke le wetso go tswa flop ba bona ba bolela thata.
Mapere.
Wa itse go dlala 7 games o sa lose. A o tshwana o dletse 29 games o sa lose.
There's a difference.
There's a difference.
Yeah.
Bona ba dlala 7 games no lose.
Yeah.
Ba rasa ba re leki ya bona. Re na dlala 29 games no lose.
Yeah.
Re lose ga ya mafelo re bolele thata.
Yeah.
Ko na re ba bontsha mabaka.
Yeah.
Re na le 7 seasons. Re khona dlala more than 15 games re sa lose.
Hey.
Re thoma season yona ba no.
Yeah.
Who lose? I'm going to lose and no.
Yeah.
But we lose 2 games.
Yeah.
Remember that. And then again, we lose Maloba in February.
Yes.
Maybe we are losing with May.
Yeah.
No, now.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
And how we won? That will leak it to me.
Yeah.
No, Carlos says there will be no difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because Honora no. 9 points. Kopile.
Different.
I go like a cup. Last 2 games we won. Na ba njaba push. Ke 9 points. Kopile.
O siya Pirates ka 9 points.
Ke 9 points. Ba na le game e 1 in hand.
Yeah.
Go ba botsa no.
Yeah.
Game tse pedure 1.
Yeah.
Le khoza aka ba khutisa 6 games.
Yeah.
Ba ka studio ba ntshwele.
No.
Why? Mfana Skukuni yellow bone o boletse malobare. Why? Who cares? Who cares?
Yeah.
Go Sundowns dlala Saturday le Laobedi. Who cares?
Yeah.
E dlala hape le Sontaga. Who cares?
Yeah.
Ba re dlala one after a week. Who cares?
Yeah.
Who cares o referee ke ba ukile Tom?
Who cares?
Who cares o referee ke Gaza?
Who cares?
Who cares or ke Mambuile mama or ke mama? Who cares? We don't care.
Yeah.
Rena Sundowns, we are used to that pressure.
Yeah.
You know, na rena di player go squad ke sa go hopotsa go morago. He be sa ba dalisa Black Label. We lost but we move. Re go botsa. Leaky nyaka mentality wa Comrades Marathon.
Yeah.
Anya ke mentality wa Usain Bolt.
Yeah.
Enya ka mentality wa Comrades
As a short
Marathon.
course.
O utlwereng? Leaky anya ke Caster Semenya. Leaky nyaka bo Bruce Ford Dice. Bo Josiah Thungwane.
Mushwait.
Wa nkutlwa ke reng?
Mushwait.
Leaky anya ke tsona tsebo. O utlwerang? O a tshwenya kana Josie. Josie. Kona ye metseng PhD ya shwe mo pelaka. Ye metseng PhD.
Pirate and direction.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, Josie. Kana tsama. Bye. Bye, Josie.
I don't know.
Tami ke tla kukula sa.
Ba re PhD emetse papa wa wana diploma.
Ukwel.
Mara ke tlo research but tami wetsi
Eh na rena di
research
PhD.
itse be ka kra kang.
Re ka tipitsa ma matric dropout. Ma matric dropout ka madoda scoba S.
Yeah.
Mara intelligent.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I'm telling you now, league is not for the faint-hearted. It's true. Go what's no? How can
Yeah.
Le nobody na baba praise amaban. But Jose Rivero. 12 times, whatever, 12 games unbeaten in Nedbank.
Yes.
We are happy for him, but the NR is not for him; it's for the team.
Yes.
It's good. It's a good thing
Yes,
for Warner.
yes.
They need to defend the Nedbank.
Yes.
You understand that?
Yes.
But the most prized possession eba inyaka ke league.
Fair.
But they ba lebella depth ya Sundowns ba lebella ya bona. They can see they don't match. What happened mo wena? Ke that 3 points, that 9 points la re ba shanga yona.
Yeah.
ke ba fa hape 3 points ke ra ba itse mo game ya bona e tlang ha ba sno itse ke 6 points ke khobola ho tsore 9 points ke to ba tsela ko Orlando esigodini sama mbindzela or ke sa yini ha bo bona ke sigodini sa rena o pegere ko Orlando ke khata ke ko Orlando ke ba bethe bodese sala ke ra senzo me iwa the late may he soul rest in peace a tshware ke di krempe atso ke bo hape mo wena o pela ke re ba mo dropa le go squatting so ntse ke to botsanyon ko Orlando ke ba fa 1
Sitibo.
they know re ba Bridges re ile Orlando one notice enough for bona ene bona akinye ke penalty ke kopela goal ya Shalulile ko Orlando so no before it all mpeni home defenders they played well ne ke a leboga ne good boys they play football they give their all today congrats to them le so re tla bona go Motsepe Foundation League so ntwe ka botsa yona lo re tswala ke kopela troya ka usane ke kopela team tse pedi tsa Soweto ba re fe 1 ba buska tsama ba re fe 1 or ba re fe tsona di 2 combine ebe Soweto United but anyways o sa magala ka para tsela tsaka ka teng this is the master drama ne ama face wethu ne le stand go dimana le tya ke show ne le dimana le stand this is master drama John Black JB the one and only ke tswile ka tsone ke mo hopotse ka re ka tsone ke apara tshwana le ena o sa mora fan me e ke na le ena rhythm ya rena ne le dese blind bona me soul rest in peace forever na le rena dimana is one of the best ntate Motsepe dimana mo tsera misa Japan a ke bola go seba ka amisa Japan a re ba mo sainela Japan ana le mathata a go strategy maru ile Japan le rena dimana is the best the master drama JB sa mo tswala sa ka ba